Click on the link below to get price. The DuroMax XP13000EH 13000W gas/propane portable generator paired with the 540PCS Nilight Electrical Wire Connectors presents a combination of power and connectivity that caters to a variety of needs. This review aims to provide a detailed overview of these products, highlighting their features and potential applications without any bias or promotional intent. Starting with the DuroMax XP13000EH, this portable generator is designed to deliver a significant output of 13,000 watts, making it suitable for various scenarios, from powering essential appliances during outages to supporting recreational activities like camping. The dual-fuel capability allows users to operate the generator on either gasoline or propane, offering flexibility depending on availability and preference. This feature is particularly beneficial in emergency situations, where fuel type might be a deciding factor. The generator is equipped with a multitude of outlets, including 120V and 240V options, which enhances its versatility. Users can connect multiple devices simultaneously, making it a practical choice for those who need to power everything from household appliances like refrigerators and lights to tools at a job site. The inclusion of safety features such as low oil shutdown and overload protection adds an extra layer of reliability that can be especially reassuring in critical situations. On the other hand, the 540PCS Nilight Electrical Wire Connectors provide a comprehensive solution for various electrical wiring needs. These connectors come in a wide variety of types, making them useful for both professional electricians and DIY enthusiasts. The assortment includes spade connectors, butt connectors, and ring terminals, among others, which can accommodate a range of wire sizes. This assortment is particularly handy for individuals looking to undertake electrical projects or repairs, as having diverse options on hand can simplify the process significantly. Using the DuroMax generator tends to be straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly control panel that allows for easy starting and operation. It is advisable for users to familiarize themselves with the generator's manual to understand its specifications and operational guidelines fully. Meanwhile, the Nilight connectors can be used with basic tools, and those familiar with electrical work will find them easy to install and integrate into their projects. In conclusion, the DuroMax XP13000EH generator and the Nilight Electrical Wire Connectors together create a robust solution for both power generation and electrical connectivity. They are designed to meet the diverse needs of users, whether in emergency situations, outdoor activities, or home improvement endeavors. Through their features and functionality, both products demonstrate practicality and versatility, making them noteworthy options to consider.